National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 9 p.m. At 7:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Evansville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, Watertown, Whitewater, Fort Atkinson, Elkhorn, Delavan, Jefferson, Lake Mills, Milton, Waterloo, Williams Bay, Walworth, Johnson Creek, Clinton, Palmyra, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, and Cambridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The current time is 7:54 p.m. Central Daylight Time.